Welcome to another home tour by Ohmyhome. Today we are at District 16 at Tanah Merah to show you a cluster development. The Manor is a 4 minutes walk to the Tanah Merah MRT station. If you need to go down to the Changi Business Park, it is just one station away. Going to the airport is a breeze because it's only 9 minutes on the train, and then to Raffles Place is just 20 minutes, and this is both on the East-West line.
As for amenities, East Village and Simpang Bedok is where you find supermarkets and a variety of eateries, which is a 6 minutes walk away. Some are even open for 24 hours.
The Manor is a 99 years leasehold property and completed in 2001. It consists of 174 units, and the property that we're going to see today is a 3-story 4-bedroom corner terrace that is 2,723 square feet. So now let's go check it out. Now this property is north-south facing, so you get cross ventilation throughout the year as well as light coming into the entire house. And the living room space measures 5 meters by 5 meters, so it's big enough for you to put in a 2-seater and a 3-seater. And the dining area is 2 steps down from the living room. It was customized because the client wanted to have more storage space.
So she created this nook to store her items such as photo albums, CDs, and other collectibles. Currently, it is a 6-seater, but it is long enough for you to accommodate an 8-seater as well.
And the kitchen is located next to the dining area. It was renovated 3 years ago in a classic black and white theme. It uses only all bloom hinges, and the top cabinets are in white gloss, whereas the bottom cabinets here is in a very sexy matte black. We've got a marble quartz top, and it's got a lot of counter space as you can see here, so it's enough for you to prep, to cook and to bake. This cozy corner is just perfect for afternoon teas and cakes, and after dinner, wine and cheese.
And here on the second floor, we've got 2 bedrooms, both with attached bathrooms. The daughter's room, which can be considered as a junior master, is big enough to contain a long desk, a dresser with ample natural lighting, and a sizable attached bathroom. On the other side is the son's room, which has a large wardrobe and a huge desk, and his own attached bathroom too.
And coming up to the 3rd floor is where you'll find a very decent-sized study and a gorgeous master bedroom.
Just look at the amount of sunlight coming through.
Welcome to the master bedroom. And here we have a good size room. It's 6 meters in length. It currently has a king-size bed with 2 side tables and even space for a reading corner. And my favorite part of this room has got to be this walk-in wardrobe. Fit for a queen. It's got 7 panels of wardrobe space, floor to ceiling, plenty of shelving for your miscellaneous and designer bags. And for the king of the house, don't be jealous because you get your own wardrobe space as well. 3 full ceiling height panels for you, plenty of space. And through this second wardrobe space is the master suite.
This house has good bones. The bathrooms, living room, kitchen and flooring are in good condition. So any renovation work needed is likely to be carpentry work, which is not extensive or time-consuming. We have a renovation team at Ohmyhome, which can help design a dream home for you.
And I'm not done with the house. In fact, I'm at the last space of this property. Located in this basement is this currently unused space. It's got direct access from the car porch and its own attached bathroom. There are a lot of possibilities. We can enclose this space, turn it into an in-law suite or a helper's room or your own entertainment room, or leave it open because it's perfect for a gym. If you like what you see, contact us at Ohmyhome and one of our super agents will be in contact with you soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next home tour.